Good morning, fellow eToro traders and investors. It's Dan from Trading with Dan. It is Monday the 16th of December. Just going to have a quick look at what I'm looking at markets-wise for this upcoming trading week. So Trading with Dan. At the moment, position-wise, we've just opened up a short on the SPX. SPX, and then we're still holding our other positions there along gold, that gold iShares Trust, and then so back over to the here we go. Look, this Bitcoin chart I showed you guys, which was the longs. They're still going up, still rising. We were when we had it on before, we were at 40,000, basically 41,000 BTC, and we're currently at 43,300. So that amount of longs is just getting higher and higher. So something's going to have to happen with that. Something's going to have to happen. Right, so over to the charts. We will start off with oil. So like I've been saying, I'm bullish of oil. Oil I think is going up. Oil's going up. The oil services sector, oil companies, they are all going to be bullish, going forwards, I think. So like we're still in this upwards channel, breaking through the top. At the top of the upwards channel. So again, still bullish on oil. Looking to maybe buy some dips. I need to wait for like a good dip like we did have last time. That good 3% dip was an amazing buying opportunity, even though I didn't jump on it on my eToro account. So that is oil. We did actually last week we had very bearish oil inventory numbers. So we had massive build-ups. So basically excess supply, and the price dipped temporarily, but it soon rallied basically back up. So soon rallied back to where it was. So and then beyond. So that is obviously a very bullish sign. When even bearish numbers don't make us stay down. Over to gold. Gold again, I believe is. Basically, I say this about everything. We're pretty much in the bubble of everything. Everything is going up. Stocks, commodities, oil, gold, silver. Bitcoin's not been going up, but that's a wild horse, isn't it, Bitcoin? So gold, I do believe gold is gonna get back up. Now we consolidated down this area. We've made lower highs. We've been making high lows. We've been making higher lows and higher highs on that immediate trend. So it looks like we've got a bit of resistance here around this just under 1480 mark. So I fully expect us to break back up, take out this one, and then we're going back over 1500. So that's my view on gold. So over to stocks. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Finally over to the S&P. Again, very bullish trend. We had our spike up on the trade talks. I basically remember saying at the time, like, this move could be a good fade the move. Not fade it as it was going up, but sell it as we were up. And there were two opportunities to do that. But now, we are sure. I'm only targeting a small pullback to around this level here, but it is looking strong. So, but I have been this has been my trade, trying to scalp the S&P recently. So I didn't want to trade on Friday, but that would have been a good scalp. So hopefully we can get another good scalp out of that. But that's what I'm looking at. We're in fully manipulated fake markets now. We've got just ever increasing amounts of money pumped into the markets via the repurchase agreements, and yeah, and then just stop buybacks whilst ever interest rates are low. So I mean, generally speaking, I think we're on the bubble of everything. Everything's going to keep going up. We're in like an Austrian school crack up boom, where it's like the hyperinflation of stock markets in an economy where its currency is being devalued. But obviously the dollar isn't going. Well, the dollar is weakening. I think the dollar for me has moved. The dollar basket has moved from bullish to neutral to now bearish trend. I think we could be trending down. I mean, I think the Fed has finally managed to engineer the weakening dollar that they wanted. So yeah, they're just trying to inflate their way out of the debt by weakening their currency. So let's see how they get on with that. But obviously there's the cleanest dirty shirt in the hamper adage scenario that has been making the dollar strong. But I mean, it's looking like Europe, which is a lot of the DXY dollar basket, the euro. It looks like they're realizing their negative rates aren't working, so it's hard to see them carry on cutting. So as that gets priced in, and then the massive amount of dollar liquidity that's been pumped into the market, we could finally see a turnaround in dollar strength. So I mean that again will give upward pressure to stocks, commodities, oil, gold, basically. So again, the bubble of everything. Yeah. So there you go. I mean, what I don't think it will give, an upwards bias to is bonds, because it will potentially indicate higher inflation going forwards. Yeah, so that obviously inflation is the worst enemy for bonds. So yeah, so they're my thoughts on the market this morning. I'll come back to you later on this afternoon with another video. So thanks for listening, guys, and trade safe.